Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about some of the topic related to the emerging modes of business. Now today I am going to explain BPO, that is also called business process outsourcing. Nowadays this concept is very popular because every multinational companies are hiring BPO for completing a particular venture or particular task of the organization, in which the organization do not require a large amount of fund to be invested, because the people those are hired by the company for a short period of time can take a particular amount to complete the particular task in the organization. That is why BPO is very popular nowadays. And we can say many organization can have different type of BPOs to complete their work. Like the multinational companies are hiring the planning experts to prepare the plan for the particular organization, so they are also comes under the BPO. And some of the organization are also hiring the financial advisor for their firms, so they people are also comes under the business process outsourcing. That is why nowadays BPO is a most popular concept, take place in the economy, and every organization want to take benefits of BPO by getting the people for a short period of time to complete the particular task of the organization. Now we have to discuss about the need for BPO. So we can say there is a lot of need of BPO is taking place in the economy nowadays, because plenty of organizations are depend upon BPO to complete their work in an efficient and effective manner, because the people those are coming through BPO, they are expert of performing the different tasks. That is why the organization and the people and the management want to hire the BPO for a specific period of time to complete the particular task in the organization. So the first need, obtaining good quality services. As we know that the person who is coming through the BPO, he will be expert to perform the particular work in the organization, so ultimately he have the specialization to perform that particular work. That is why the good quality of services can be obtained by that particular person, who is hired with the help of BPO. So the quality services will be given by the company by hiring the BPO to the customer. The another one is avoiding fixed investment. As we know that BPO, the people those are coming through BPO, they are not fixed. They are only hired for a specific period of time. They are hired by the company for a short period of time to complete the work. They can take a particular amount to complete the work. That is why we can say there is no fixed investment required to perform the work with the help of BPO. So the people can comes for a short period of time, they can take their fees to complete the work, and they can move from the organization. So no fixed investment is required. The another one is smooth running of business. As we know that the people those are coming from outside, they will concentrate over a particular work only. They will not take part in the activities of others, so that the other work of the organization can be smoothly performed. No any type of disturbance take place in that type of work which is performed by other people, but the particular task will be focused and controlled by the people those are coming with the help of BPO, so that we can say a particular work will be performed by the person of BPO, but the another work can be smoothly performed in the organization. So after that, scope of BPO is also present. As we know that nowadays BPO is very popular, so scope of BPO is also available in the economy. So BPO is also providing some kind of services. As we know that the first one is financial services. BPO is not only providing the marketing services, selling services, but nowadays it is very popular in providing the financial services to the different clients those are available in the economy. As we know that some companies are hiring the CS to complete the financial transactions of the company, and also they can deal with the SEBI and another stock exchange those are available in the Indian economy. So that we can say BPO is also providing the financial services to their client. We can take the example of different companies, different small scale companies, those are not able to hire the CA and CS on permanent basis, but they take the services on a temporary basis from the CA and CS, so that CA and CS also comes under the category of BPO for the small scale companies. The another one is advertisement agent services. As we know that product is produced by one company, but advertisement is made by the other companies, so that we can say BPO is also providing the advertisement services to their clients, in which the BPO can hire the famous celebrity and also a team of people, those are preparing the advertisement and those are promoting the product in the economy. So that type of services are also provided by the BPO to their clients. Like Virat Kohli is giving the advertisement of Nike shoes, so that it is not by the Nike company directly, but it is a BPO which is hiring Virat Kohli for promoting the product of Nike. So that these type of advertisement services are also given by the BPO. Now another one is courier services. As we know that courier service is a type of service in which our information can be transferred from us to our client in a written form. So that type of services are also given by are also provided by the BPO, in which different courier services like fast track, like Finolex, like many other services are also available in the economy. Those are doing the work to transfer the information, transfer the packets from one person to another. So this type of services are also comes under the BPO. The another one is customer support service. It is an important part. Reported service is provided by BPO, because nowadays the success and the goodwill of the company is totally depend upon its customer care services. If the customer care service is effective, then only the need and demand of the product will be arise, because the customer care executive is very helpful for the company, because he directly deal with the customer and try to solve the problem faced by him. That is why we can say this support service is very helpful for creating the goodwill of the company in the economy, and also we can say this support service is very helpful to create the popularity of the product in the economy, because whenever the customer face any type of problem and it is not solved by the customer care service, then only the customer can shift it from his product to the another product. That is why we can say if the customer care service is effective, then only the customer will always attach with the company and always want to purchase the product of that particular company, because he is getting proper attention from the company, and he is also getting the support from the company to solve the different problem faced by him. That is why we can say customer support service is also a work which is performed by BPO. So that we can say, students, these are the some this is an important topic, business process outsourcing, in which we discuss about the need of BPO and scope of BPO. So apart from it, many other services are also provided by BPO, in which BPO helps the companies to produce the product, in which also the companies can get the training support from the BPO, and also the company get the other type of operational support from the BPO to produce highly qualitative product for the customer. That is why the BPO is playing a vital role in the economy, and it is very popular topic and popular career option for the student of commerce also. So that we can say it is all about BPO. So student, you just go through it from the notes also, and you should watch the video, and you should prepare it well. So student, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.